Here's important information from the Health Law Firm.
If you're a physician, nurse, or other health professional who has been accused of drug diversion, alcohol use at work, impairment, or testing positive on a drug test, understand the severity. Such allegations, when made against a physician, nurse, pharmacist, resident physician, fellow, or medical student, are taken very seriously. They're often categorized by the Department of Health or Licensing Board as Priority 1, Fast Track, or emergency cases. This implies that the charges against the medical professional are typically considered for an emergency suspension order, or ESO, by the licensing board or the State Department of Health. If you've been reported to the state board or to your employer, who has subsequently reported you to the Professional Resource Network, or PRN, the Intervention Project for Nurses, or IPN, the State Peer Assistance Program, or the Provider's Health Program, here are some crucial steps to prepare for your evaluation. Cease all alcohol consumption. Stop drinking alcoholic beverages immediately upon learning of your upcoming evaluation. Expect tests. You'll likely need to provide urine, blood, nail, and hair samples to disclose any drug or alcohol use from weeks or even months prior. Punctuality. Arrive on time for your evaluation. Tardiness can be perceived as a lack of judgment or a deeper issue. Avoid certain medications. Don't take tranquilizers, mood stabilizers, or other medications before your appointment. Present yourself well, dress neatly, and maintain good personal hygiene. And answer carefully. Respond to the evaluator's questions briefly and directly. Do not volunteer unsolicited information. There are several red flags that professionals look for to determine the need for treatment and long-term monitoring. A messy ongoing divorce, a relative with a substance addiction, parents who are divorced, a family history of alcohol or drug abuse, a history of family violence, consuming alcohol as a minor, experimentation with drugs during high school or college, experimentation with hard or street drugs such as cocaine, LSD, ecstasy, crack, or heroin, smoking marijuana, even if medically prescribed, prescription medications that could impair judgment. Officials from state professional health programs have voiced concerns about health professionals using marijuana, irrespective of its legality or the presence of a medical marijuana card. It's essential to remember there is a lack of confidentiality. Nothing shared during the evaluation is confidential and could be used against you. Attorney George Indes states, quote, "We are intimately familiar with physician health programs, peer assistance programs, the Intervention Project for Nurses, and Professionals Resource Network, including their advantages, disadvantages, procedures, contracts, personnel, and policies." The health law firm's attorneys routinely represent health professionals in matters involving PRN or IPN. Their team also aids health providers during Department of Health investigations, before professional boards, in licensing matters, and in administrative hearings. For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com or call them at 407-331-6620.
For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com.